my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and it is something that I'm really excited about. It is the Beautylish Lucky Bag, and I was actually able to snag the XL box this year, which, if you guys don't know, the Beautylish Lucky Bags are sold once a year. They go on sale on December 26th. And there are several options. You have an option of a $75 box where you get 150 plus in products. And then they have the XL box, which is 150, and you're guaranteed 300 and up in products. And then they also have the Jeffree Star mystery box, and that one I believe is 75. And again, with that one you would get 150 or more in products. And they also have a couple other options where you can buy one of the $75 boxes and donate the other. So it's 150 for both. So I am so excited, and I just got this. The bell just rang. So I ran out to get it real quick, and I'm going to share with you and see what's inside. I haven't even opened it. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that. Let's see. Okay. So let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Okay. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like inside. They always have like the prettiest paper, and then there's a little note that explains what the bags are actually, where they come from and everything. So it's super cute. And I try to get it every year, and I have usually, I think it's for the past maybe 3 years that I've gotten it, but I always get the $75 one because this one, the XL one, sells out like super fast within a matter of seconds. So I was so excited I snagged it. Okay, so there's some tissue paper in here. We're just going to throw it down there. And there is a big bundle right here. I'm going to put it right there. And then this is just paper, and then that's everything inside. I'm going to put the box out. And we are gonna unwrap this. And let's see what's in here. Okay, so the first thing in here is from, I believe it's pronounced Holifrog. It's their Kiss Me Vitamin F Therapy Balmy Wash. So this is actually a new brand to Beautylish. And I was actually trying to see if I can snag a couple products to try them out, so I'm excited that it's in here. And this one says, restore and soften waterless formula. Does the hard work with a soft touch. So I believe it's just a face wash. Yeah, it's a balmy wash. It says that it dissolves long-wear pigments and stubborn SPF, making it an ideal first step in a double cleanse. Okay, so that's super cool. Let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, you guys, their packaging is the cutest. There's like a whole little thing in there. There's little planets, little lakes. That's adorable. And then this is what the actual balm looks like. So that is super cool. Okay, next thing in here is from Ardell. And it's their individual lashes. And I do like Ardell. I do use their regular full strip lashes. I never have used the individuals, so I'm excited to get that. And next, this is from Good Molecules. And it is their Niacinamide Brightening Toner. And it has vitamin C. It says that it helps brighten and improves the appearance of enlarged pores. So I think this brand went into Beautylish either last year or the year before. And I did get their eye serum in my box. Okay, and so that's what that looks like. Oh, and it's nice, and it's made out of glass too, so that's pretty cool. Okay, next thing in here is from Oribe, and it's their Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo. which I've only tried their dry shampoo. And that is really pretty packaging. That's what it looks like. Okay, next thing. This is from Cover FX, and it's a shimmer veil in the shade Celestial. And that's what that looks like. So it's a really pretty, it's like a beige shimmer. It's really nice. I have tried these before. We've gotten several of them. I believe it was in BoxyCharm. Next thing is a Sonia G brush, which you guys know I love my brushes. And this is a Crease 1 brush. And I don't own any brushes from Sonia G, so I am super excited. And I love, look at that point. I just love that. So, I'm excited for that one. I love to get brushes. Next thing in here is from Charlotte Tilbury. And it's a Latex Love Long Lasting Intense Lip Gloss. And it's in Belle Douceur. So that's the packaging. And I actually just got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette, the big long one. Oh my gosh, you guys, that palette is gorgeous. And I don't have any of her lip glosses, and it's a really pretty nude shade. So that's exciting. Okay, and there is one more thing in here. And this is from Viseart. It's the Grand Pro Volume 3 palette. So let's take a look. I don't own any of their big palettes. And I received, I think it's called the Triced palette. And I believe that was either last year or the year before. This is really pretty packaging. This is really nice. Okay. We're going to take it out. Okay, so it's right here. It opens right here. Oh wow. This is definitely a super colorful palette. Look at that. My eye automatically goes to the yellows and the pinks because I love those colors. Okay, so this is actually beautiful. So that is it, you guys. I'm super excited. I don't own anything that was in the box this year, so I am super excited about that. So again, we got the Viseart Pro Volume 3, the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Gloss, the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, the Oribe Shampoo, the Good Molecules Toner, the Holifrog Balmy Wash, let's scooch that over, the Ardell Lashes, and the Sonia G brush, which I'm excited about everything. So what did you guys think? Did you guys get your box yet? Were you able to get one? Let me know down in the comments. I will put the pricing on each of the products in the comments as well, so we can total it up. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!